helping local drivers while under a stay-at-home order. Casey McKinnon is telling us how to do just that. Casey joins us live from City Heights. Good morning, Casey.
Good morning. We are in City Heights at UMI Smog Shop. I'm so sorry. And yeah, we're off of University Avenue, and I'm joined by Ahmed, the general manager of UMI. Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Good morning. How are you?
Okay, so within a week's span, you transformed your whole smog shop into a drive-through service. Tell us about it and why.
We transferred the shop into a drive-through service so that we could offer San Diegans a safe environment due to the COVID-19. We're also for the protection of our employees as well. The drive-through consists of the renewals, the transfers, and the smog.
So since DMVs are closed, this is a perfect place to come do it, social distance yourself. What services can you get done here?
You can get done you can do your renewal, you can do your smog check, you can do your registration transfers. If you lost your plates, we take care of that here as well. We are drive-through, we are quick, we are highly rated in San Diego, both on Yelp and Google, and we're looking forward to seeing you guys soon.
So UMI has a couple shops around the county. Is this the only one that is a drive-through?
This is currently the only one that's a drive-through in San Diego right now. The other ones are providing a call-in, pickup, or delivery option. So we are doing phone calls, orders, and whatnot, and you'll pay over the phone and get your tags either same day or next day. We have those options available for all of San Diegans.
And you also have options available for those affected by COVID-19 and our military service members. Talk about those offers that you have.
Currently, we have 3 specials going on. We're extending our $30 smog check special for all 2000 and newer vehicles. We're also providing 25% off for all those affected by COVID-19, as well as an additional 10% off for service members and first responders to the COVID-19.
And what are your delivery options?
Our delivery options are same-day delivery. When you pay over the phone or text, we have a driver that will drive to your place of residence, call you before they get there, and let you know that your delivery is ready to get picked up. And we have next-day shipping options. If you prefer that better, we do offer that.
Ahmed, is there anything else you want to add?
We thank all of our San Diegans for their business, for continuing to choose us for their registration and smog needs. We've been serving San Diego since 2014, and we continue to serve.
Ahmed, thank you so much. The address is 3845 off of University Avenue. It's a drive-through smog check service. DMVs are closed, and you can practice social distancing here. You don't even have to get out of your car. We're in City Heights at UMI Smog. Lauren, I'm going to send it back to you.
All right, it's great what they're doing, offering some needed services for people in a safe way. Casey, thank you. Appreciate it.